Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2948 for the 2020 Hit Parade Baseball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Sunday, August 2nd, 2020. It's 11:35 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:35 p.m. Central Time, and 8:35 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Mike with 4 spots, BEHRen with 4, List 1, AA with 2, Josh with 1, J Dealum 1, Chris with 1, Eric 3, Joe 2, J Dealum 1, E Parent 2, E Rock 2, CZ 1, CR Mag 2, Matt's a bowl 3 spots. Now let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. Mike on top, Matt's a bow on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Eric on top, 8 on the bottom. Eric, you have the Diamondbacks, Braves, List with the Orioles, E-Rock Red Sox, Eric with the Cubs, E-Parent with the White Sox, Matt's a bowl Reds, BE with the Indians, E-Parent with the Rockies, Mike with the Tigers, CR Mag Astros, AA with the Royals, BEHRen with the Angels, Matt's a bowl Dodgers, Joe with the Marlins, Mike with the Brewers, Joe Twins, E-Rock Mets, Chris with the Yankees, Matt's a bowl Athletics, BE Phillies, Mike with the Pirates, BE Padres, J Dealum Giants, Josh with the Mariners, J Dealum Cardinals, CR Mag Rays, CZ Rangers, Mike's Blue Jays, and AA with the Washington Nationals. Okay, we're all sealed up. And whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And our team will be the Oakland Athletics Auto 25 out of 25 Rookie Auto. Jesus Luzardo Rookie Auto 25 out of 25 Oakland Athletics. Very nice. Let's see who has the Oakland Athletics. Oakland Athletic, Matzabol -40. Congrats, Matzabol, on the Luzardo 25 out of 25 Rookie Auto from break 2948 in the 2020 Hit Parade Baseball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then right after that, we'll have 2953 and 2929. Thanks.